Now we're going to talk about wind damage. So here's your photos. Let's start with the one on the left. We have a windstorm that caused the damage to the condensing unit. I think we can all envision what happened here. A large branch or an entire tree fell and crushed the top of this residential condensing unit. So at this point, you now have to make a decision. What am I going to do, repair versus replace? All right, repair, which you guys might be questioning that first off, and a new condensing unit. So yes, folks, that is possible. When we say replace, we mean the entire system. Remember, this is only half the system. The rest of the equipment is inside the house. So putting a new condensing system, a new condenser on the system is considered a repair. And the EPA also considers that a repair as well when it comes to refrigerant issues. So we could repair that, but we definitely need a new condensing unit because we have the cabinet, the grill, the fan, the coil all affected there, and it would not be cost effective to repair that unit.